Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the math class. So you all know that we are doing chapter 3 data handling, right? So in the previous class I have given you few home assignment, right? So before starting the class assignment, let us solve our home assignment, then we will proceed to the class assignment. Okay, here we have the first question as assignment. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. We have found mean and mode in the previous class. Now your work was to find the median and to compare whether these three numbers are same or not. So mode mean you got 39, mode you got 15, and median. To find the median you must first observe whether the given observation is odd or even. By after looking this you have to use the formula, then you will get the median, right? So what is the observation, whether it is odd or even? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, right? So it is 11 observation is there, and your observation is odd, right? So it is odd. So if the observation is odd, then you have to use the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. What is your n? Your n is 11, right? So 11 plus 1 divided by 2 is 12 divided by 2, right? So it is 6th, and that this 6th doesn't mean that this is a median. The 6th observation indicates that in 6th observation, or in 6th number, your median lies. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So yes, median is your median is 15. So we got mean 39, we got mode 15, and now we got median 13. So we can say no, therefore no, these three are not same. Alright, only the mode are same, but mean is different, so that's why we are saying no, these three are not same. So with this we have completed this question also, we have completed this 3 part also. So this was our assignment, right? So student, let us proceed now solving or starting solving the class assignment. All right, student, here we have the question as a class assignment from exercise 3.2, question number 3. The question states that the weight in kg of 15 students of class are this much. The observation is given. Alright, so find the mode and the median of this data. Is there more than one mode? So you have to find the mode and the median, as well as is there any is the mode more than one. Okay, so the condition may be more than one, so you have to search that. Okay, so first of all, the first and foremost work you have to do is to arrange this arrange in a ascending order, right? Should not forget this, otherwise you'll get different value. So first and foremost, 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38, 40, 42, 43, 43, 43, 45, 47, then comes 50. 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38, 40, 42, 43, 43, 43, 343 are there, 45, 47, 50. Yes. So this data has been arranged in a ascending form. Now you have to find the mode. First of all, what is mode? Mode is the number of frequency of a number. So what is the frequency of 32? 1. What is the 31? 36 1, 37 1, 38 3, 40 41, 42 1, 43 is 1 3, sorry, 45 1, 47 1, 51. So we can say 38 and 43, because both are having same frequency, so the mode can be 2 over here. I have explained you in the first class, right? So next what you have to find is median. To find the median, first of all you have to see whether the observation is even or odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So n value is 15, that is odd. If such is the condition, then what formula you are going to use? N plus 1 divided by 2, it is 15 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 16 by 2, it is 8. So that doesn't mean, or this value doesn't mean this is a median. It indicates that in 8th observation your median lies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your median is 40. Alright, so you will write your median is 40. Alright, I hope you have understood. Your mode is 3843 and your median is 40. So your next question is, our number 1 and number 2 question are over. Now we have number 1 is over because you have to find mode and median in the first question, and the next question is there more than one mode? Then you will write yes, there are. Number 2, yes, there are 2 modes, that is 38, 43 for the given weight, for the given weights of a students. Alright, I hope you have understood this easy one, no? So let us try next question. So, student, proceeding further to question number 4 of exercise 3.2, we have find the mode and the median with the given data. Alright, so first of all you have to arrange this in ascending order. Of course, first and foremost thing you have to do that. Okay, so after arranging the ascending order, you have to first of all let us arrange this. This is repeating 14, 14, 14, 16, then 19. So now you have to find the mode. Mode you can easily find with the number which is getting repeated, or the whose frequency is greater. So over here 2, 13 2 times, 14 3 times, 16 1, and 19 1 time. So which number is getting repeated again and again? It is 14. So our mode is 14. Similarly, we have our next question is to find the median. To find the median, first of all you have to observe whether the n observation is odd or even. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our n is odd, right? So to find the odd value, to find the median when it is odd, that we have to do 9 plus n is 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10 by 2. It is 10 by 2. It is in fifth observation you are going to get the median, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 14. Simple, right? So fifth observation or the fifth term you can say. Okay, so in the fifth term our median lies, that is 14. So hence the median is 14. So our mode is also 14 and median is also 14. Okay student, I hope you have understood this. Student, here we have the next question to tell whether the given statement is true or false. So number 1 is the mode is always one of the number in a data. So first question is true. So you have solved till now many problem regarding mode, mean and median, right? So you have understood that suppose 4, 5, 6, 6, 3, 2, 9 is a number, right? After arranging this number in a ascending form, say for 3 and 2, 3, then 5, 4, 5, 6, 6, 9. You have understood. First of all you have to arrange this in ascending order, then you will find the mode. What is your mode here? 6. So it is from inside the data only, right? Inside from the data only you are getting the mode, so the statement is true. Okay, so next question, the mean is one of the numbers in a data. So among this only, if we have to find the mean, then what we are going to do? 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 9 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So first of all add this. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, right? 9 plus 4 14, 20, 29 and 35. 35 by 7, it is 7 5s are 35. So luckily you are getting inside this, from inside this data only, you are getting the mean value, right? So but if I say 1 2 3 5 and 6, and if I have to calculate this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 1 2 3 4 5, so 3 6 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 6 is 17, 3 6 11 6. So if you have to divide this, it will be 5 3s are 15 and 1.05. It is, our mean is 3.2. So do you find 3.2 anywhere? So this statement is false. In some cases you may get the mean, in some cases you may not get the mean. So the statement is mean we cannot, sometimes we do not get from inside the data, given data. So our statement is false. I hope you have understood this, right? So but in the condition of mode, it is not like that. You will get inside from the given data only, because we have to choose whether the frequency is getting repeated or not. Mode is that only, the number how many times it is getting repeated, that is your frequency, that is your mode, right? So that we are getting from the data only. Proceeding further to question number 3, the median is always one of the number in the data. It is also true, because median, whether first of all you have to observe whether it is mean, odd or even, right? So then we will choose the formula, then we will try to get the value looking the observation or the term, right? So from inside the data only we get the mean, mode, inside the data only we get the median, but from inside the data sometimes we may not get the value, or the from the data we may not get the mean. Okay, so in this case you got the example. So student, with this question we are over with question number 5 also. From the next class we are going to start exercise 3.3. Alright student, so this much for today.